Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add collapsible or foldable sections inside Google Sites. It's super useful when you want to organize long pages, hide extra details, or just keep things clean. So yeah, let's get started. First, open the site you want to edit. If you're already logged in, you'll see your list of sites. Just click the one you want to work on. Over on the right side, you'll see the Insert panel. This is where all the content tools live. Scroll down a bit until you notice the section labeled Collapsible Group. It's pretty easy to miss, so yeah, just look for it. Now click on Collapsible Group. Google Sites will drop in a foldable section with a title on top and a content area underneath. You can rename the title to anything like FAQ, notes, or whatever you need. In the content section, you can type regular text, add images, embed YouTube videos. All of that works inside the collapsible area. It behaves just like any regular Google Sites block, which is, honestly, really handy. If you want more collapsible items, just duplicate the one you have. You can also drag them up or down to reorder everything. This is great for organizing long FAQs or multi-section pages. Before publishing, hit the preview button at the top. This lets you test how the collapsible sections open and close on desktop, tablet, and phone. If something looks off, you can hop back and adjust it. And that's basically it. Adding collapsible or foldable elements in Google Sites is super quick, and it instantly makes your pages easier to navigate. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.